In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Pipedrive, which is a handy skill if you're managing international deals or working with clients from different countries. Changing your currency setting allows you to view all your deals in the currency that makes the most sense for you and your business. So, let's get started on setting things up the right way. To begin, you'll need to access your Pipedrive account homepage. Once you're on your homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you haven't already. This will make navigating through the steps much easier. Look to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find your profile icon. This is generally represented by either your initials or your profile picture if you've uploaded one. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu where you'll find several account options. From this drop-down menu, look for an option titled Personal Preferences. Go ahead and click on that. This section contains various settings that you can personalize according to your work style and needs, making sure your Pipedrive experience is as tailored as possible. Now, you should see a section related to your account settings. Within this section, find the default currency area. Here, you'll notice a drop-down menu that allows you to select your preferred currency. Click on this drop-down, and a list of all available currencies will be displayed. It's important to have the correct currency for your deals, as this affects all your financial figures throughout Pipedrive. Scroll through this list and find the currency that you would like to use. Whether you're opting for US dollars, euros, yen, or any other currency, simply select your choice. This selection is pivotal for your deals to be calculated and displayed in the correct currency. So make sure you've chosen the right one for your business operations. Once you've made your selection, the most critical step is saving these changes. Before you move away from the page, locate the Save button to ensure your new currency setting is updated and applied across your Pipedrive activities. Clicking Save is crucial. Otherwise, the changes might not take effect, and you might find yourself needing to redo these steps. And there you have it. You've just successfully changed your currency in Pipedrive. This simple adjustment can make your data more consistent and meaningful, especially when communicating financial information internally or with clients. Now that you've got this under your belt, navigating financial details in Pipedrive should be a bit more straightforward. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.